Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. So if you have this particular error, what you can do is you can head over and then restart your game because it may just reboot the game and resolve minor glitches. You can also change private match host, or you can try joining a different host for private matches or repeatedly attempt to join, as it may work when pushed after several tries. And also check for updates for your Modern Warfare app and make sure that your game is up to date and you have stable internet connection. You can also try clearing the game cache, as this can help eliminate any corrupted data causing the error. You can also try to verify game files. Just right click on the game on your library, select Properties, Local Files, and then verify integrity of game files. However, this only actually works on Steam users. You can also adjust private match settings and experiment with settings like reducing bot counts or changing maps modes. You can also disable demand texture streaming because if you have this turned up in the graphics setting, it may affect game stability. You can also change calling card or emblem because this can actually change the calling card and emblem and resolve the issue. So that's how you fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. I hope this video helped you out.